Hello guys, this is Anshul here, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create your own Discord bot for your Discord server. In this bot, I'm gonna teach you how you can get a Discord together feature where you can watch YouTube videos in voice channels. Let's start. So first of all, we need a GitHub link, which is I put on description. It is here. This is the bot link. All the codes are done here. So you just need to fork it or download it, and just get it. Here you can get some requirements which is already on readme.md. You can check it out here. So we got the code here, everything. So let's create a bot first and invite it on our server. So here is the bot Discord developer application. You need to create on new bot. So here we can give a name. This is a test bot, so I'm just giving name, and you need to go at bot, add bot. Yes, I do it, and then you need leave it. Here's the token generated. Copy the Discord token, and before that you just create a bot invite link on bot admin or anything you want to give or not, your choice. Give it to him and invite it to your server. Bot is in my server, but it's offline, so let's make it online. So the code, there is an index.js where is the code written, and there is an like config.json. So we're gonna put like on bot section here. Oh, sorry for that. Just copy the code. Copy the token. Now we going into package.json. Let's create a new terminal. In here you need to type nmi, and all the dependency gonna download it automatically. We have to wait. After this, you just need to go at index.js. Here you need to type npm run start. Let's check bot is offline or online. Yeah, so bot is online, as you can see. Join the VC, and here you need to type $sign help, and yeah, we got our service $sign YouTube, and it say you need to be in voice channel. Let's create a new voice channel. Just restart your bot, run it again. Bot is online again. Sorry. Here's the link. It's create and create, and then give it the permission. And here's the video you can play. Thank you for watching guys, and don't make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button. And in the next video I'll teach you how you can make it like 24/7 X and posting for free. So till then, bye bye.